I recorded a live fitness video in a private Facebook group and now want to download my video. Here's how I do it. This is my practice private Facebook group. I like to film a few moves in a practice video before I go into the larger private group. So if I go to this video, I can click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Let's have a look at the drop-down menu. There is no option to download. So we'll click on those three dots again. At the bottom, I have the option with these two arrows to enlarge. So let's enlarge the video. I'll just pause that. Once again, we'll go to the top right-hand corner to the three dots, click on those, and now I do have the option to download video. So once I have enlarged the video within the private Facebook group, I can click on the three dots, click on download video, and now this video will be saved in my downloads and I can use that for other purposes. Hope this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. See you again. Have a wonderful day.